Hello everyone, thank you for your likes, comments, and support for our channel. Good day, dear viewers. Today we're journeying back to the early 19th century, to the birth of a man who would revolutionize our understanding of the natural world, Charles Darwin. Born in the year 1809 in Shrewsbury, England, Darwin was a curious child with a budding interest in the natural world. His fascination with nature was nurtured through his formative years, guiding him to pursue studies in medicine and theology at the prestigious Cambridge. However, the confines of academia not contain his passion for exploring the intricacies of nature. So, in A of Fate, Darwin embarked on a 5-year voyage around the world on the ship HMS Beagle. Little did he know that this voyage would not only fuel his curiosity, but also shape his groundbreaking theory of evolution. This voyage would prove to be a turning point, not just Darwin, but for science itself. Join us tomorrow at 7 p.m. to continue this fascinating journey. As Darwin set sail on the HMS Beagle, he was embarking on a voyage of discovery that would shake the foundations of biology. This journey, which spanned 5 years, was not simply a trip around the world, but rather a monumental exploration that would shape Darwin's understanding of the natural world. As the HMS Beagle traversed the globe, Darwin was exposed to an incredible range of wildlife. From the vibrant birds of the Galapagos Islands to the peculiar marsupials of Australia, each location offered a new puzzle piece in the grand mosaic of life. But it wasn't just the diversity that intrigued Darwin, it was the similarities too. He observed that species from different locations often shared striking resemblances yet had subtle differences that seemed to be tailored to their specific environments. Darwin also began an extensive collection of specimens during his travels, gathering thousands of samples from plants to insects, birds to mammals. This collection served as a tangible record of the vast array of life forms he encountered, allowing him to study and compare them in greater detail. However, as he continued to observe and document, Darwin found himself grappling with a growing doubt about the prevailing belief of divine creation. He couldn't help but question, if all species were divinely created and unchanging, why were there such variations within species? Why did some species resemble each other yet live in completely different parts of the world? Why did some species seem perfectly adapted to their environments, while others struggled to survive? These observations and questions sparked a whirlwind of thoughts in Darwin's mind. It was a conflict between what he was taught to believe and what he was beginning to understand through his observations. This internal struggle, combined with his experiences and observations, would eventually lead him down a path that would forever change our understanding of life on Earth. These observations and questions would form the basis of his groundbreaking theory of evolution. And so, as Darwin journeyed across the globe, he was unknowingly laying the groundwork for a theory that would revolutionize the world of biology and our understanding of our place within it. Upon his return to England, Darwin began to piece together a radical new theory that would challenge centuries-old beliefs. His observations from the voyage coalesced into an idea that species were not fixed entities, created in their present form by divine intervention. Instead, he proposed that species evolved over time through a process he called natural selection. Darwin spent nearly 2 decades refining his ideas and gathering supporting evidence. He was meticulous, knowing that his theory would overturn the established norms. Finally, in 1859, his groundbreaking work, On the Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection, was published. The book was a bombshell. Darwin argued that over countless generations, species changed and diversified. Survival wasn't random, he proposed. Those individuals with traits best suited to their environment were more likely to survive and reproduce. Over time, these traits would become more common in the population, leading to the evolution of new species. Darwin's theory challenged the predominant view of a world unchanged since creation, a view held by many for religious reasons. His book ignited a fierce debate. Critics argued that Darwin's theory was a direct assault on religious beliefs. They saw it as undermining the special status of humans in the world. Conversely, many in the scientific community embraced Darwin's theory for its explanatory power, even while it provoked deep philosophical and theological discussions. Despite the controversy, Darwin's theory of evolution gained traction. It offered a unified explanation for the diversity and complexity of life, one that no other theory could provide. Over time, as more evidence mounted from a variety of scientific fields, the theory of evolution became the cornerstone of modern biology. Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection was a game changer, reshaping our understanding of life on Earth. It was the birth of a new theory, a theory that, despite initial resistance, has withstood the test of time and remains the foundation of our understanding of the natural world. Darwin's theory of evolution has left an indelible mark on modern biology and beyond. His groundbreaking work has not only shaped our understanding of the natural world, but has also permeated into various other fields of knowledge. For instance, medicine has greatly benefited from Darwin's insights. With the understanding that organisms evolve over time, medical researchers have been able to trace the evolution of various diseases, helping us develop effective treatments and preventive measures. Similarly, the field of psychology found a new foundation through Darwin's theory. The idea of evolution led to the birth of evolutionary psychology, which seeks to understand human behavior through the lens of adaptation and survival. Beyond the realm of science, Darwin's theory has even influenced philosophy and sociology. It has challenged and reshaped our understanding of human nature and society. Philosophers have grappled with the implications of Darwin's theory, leading to debates about morality, free will, and the meaning of life. Meanwhile, sociologists have used Darwin's theory to explore the evolution of societies and social behaviors. However, Darwin's legacy is not without controversy. His theory has sparked ongoing debates, particularly among religious groups and creationists who contest the idea of evolution. Yet despite these debates, the scientific community largely upholds Darwin's theory as the best explanation for the diversity of life on Earth. The theory of evolution by natural selection, though first met with resistance, has become a cornerstone of modern science. Its applications and influences are wide-ranging, underscoring the profound impact of Darwin's work. His theory has fundamentally changed how we understand ourselves and the world around us. Despite ongoing debates, Darwin's theory remains a cornerstone of modern science, testament to the enduring impact of his work. And so, we've journeyed through the life of Charles Darwin, a man whose ideas continue to shape our understanding of the world, from his youth to his and theory development to the profound impact of his work. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. Until next time, keep exploring. And remember, join us tomorrow at 7 p.m. for more captivating stories.